My name is Toavs, and I'm a sixth generation craftsman, and I build because of the legacy that was left to me by the generations before me. And I love to create and provide my clients with something unique that's individualistic that they get to use for generations to come. And I love the opportunity to teach the next generation. And I started working with my dad when I was 7 years old, going with him to all the different job sites and having to learn a trade, being woken up weekend mornings and summers. I had to work with my dad growing up. You know, he said that I was going to learn a trade no matter what. And now here I am living the legacy of 5 generations before me. I love what I do because I just get to do things that a lot of people can't do. They can't design, they can't create, they can't build things that serve functions in their daily lives. And I get to do that. I have the ability to do that. If I need a piece of furniture, if I need anything, I can build it for myself. I don't have to go buy something. And I get to do that for other people. It's something that really sits with me, and it's something that my dad taught me, and it gave me the ability to think for myself, to creatively problem solve, and to be, to have that tactile connection with the creation of something from nothing. I've gotten to work with amazing individuals and that are so talented that I can't pinpoint it to one specific memory. I've got to do projects that, are the pinnacle of my career, and have the amount of complication and detail and things that really challenge me to be better than I was when I started the project. I've gotten the ability as an adult to work with my dad. And those are the things that I will always have with me and always take with me. I build because I get to carry on my father's legacy.